Coming up here at QVC on Sunday the 11th of March, we have an amazing 24-hour gardening event. It's all called Love Your Garden. And someone who's going to be appearing on the day is one of our resident gardening experts, Michael Perry, of course. You have your own show at 5 o'clock.
I know, it's amazing. Can't wait. So we're going to have a whole range of unusual plants that I've had a hand in choosing, some great tools for your garden to help make gardening easier as well, because, you know, I'm a time-pressed gardener, so I'm always looking for those easy solutions, whether it's tools or plants that grow better and easier.
Let's talk about some of the things that you're looking forward to showing us on the day, because something that I saw earlier on, not necessarily plants, but it is going to help you relax in the garden to enjoy your plants. It's an amazing chair.
I know, we've got a really great, almost 70s style egg chair, which you can put indoors or outdoors. It's self-supporting, it's great to sit in, it's got a great cushion, and you can just relax for hours in the garden. And even if you could be a gardener or a non-gardener, you could just sit in there and shout orders at the official gardener, couldn't you? It's just amazing. So have a G&T and just sit back and relax in your swirling egg chair.
And of course, a big brand here at QVC is Plants to Garden. They will be featuring throughout the day, won't they?
Yes, there's a couple of troughs which have the plants included as well. So you've got basically everything you need for a summer of colour. The troughs are UV protected and they're almost self-watering. They've got a reservoir at the base. So great for beginners or those that haven't got the time to give the plants lots of care through the summer. A great colour range too, and a lot of fragrance.
What else has caught your eye on the day?
Well, there's Calliope, which is a new dark red geranium from Hayloft, and this is a bumper geranium. It's bigger than any other geranium. It will cover 1 foot squared in the garden, so you can use it as landscape bedding. You can stop weeds coming through by planting this geranium in the border. It is incredible, and the colour is deep, deep red, one of the darkest geraniums I've ever seen.
And our other fabulous gardening expert here at QVC, Mr. Richard Jackson, he's launching something brand new.
He has. He's finally brought us a flower power that just needs 1 dose through the season. It's incredible. It's called Easy Feed. It's taken a while to get that to market, and it lasts for 6 months. And it has double action as well, which has got fast release and slow release granules in there, so your plants are going to be happy and healthy for a longer period.
Don't miss it. It's Love Your Garden, a 24-hour gardening event. It's live on QVC on Sunday, the 11th of March.